Palm City Appliance Repair, fast, professional, and equipped for high-end homes. Treasure Coast Appliance Repair serves all Palm City neighborhoods. Palm City is known for its beautiful homes, golf course communities, and families who invest in quality. Martin Downs, The Preserve, Cobblestone, Harbor Ridge, and the many equestrian properties throughout the area. These homes often have premium appliances that need specialized service. Our premium brand expertise. We're fully equipped to service Sub-Zero, Viking, Wolf, Thermador, Miele, Bosch, Dacor, JennAir, Fisher and Paykel, and all luxury brands alongside Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, GE, and every mainstream manufacturer. Premium appliances are worth repairing. A Sub-Zero refrigerator costs $5,000 to $10,000 new. A Viking range costs $3,000 to $7,000. The repair or replace math strongly favors repair on premium brands, even at higher repair costs. What we handle: built-in refrigerators, professional ranges, wall ovens, wine coolers, built-in coffee systems, induction cooktops, and all standard appliances. Same-day service. OEM parts. Diagnostic fee applied to repair. Licensed and insured. Palm City deserves premium appliance service. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.